Orion5 unboxing. Alright, we pop the clips. It's a nice case, like the kind your drills come in. We've got a number of items in the case. I'll pull them out. Micro USB cable. This one to control the arm. Another micro USB cable. This is for a USB enabled module that has the USB line, extra one going through to the claw. So this will be the one that plugs in for whatever you've got on the claw, like a LiDAR, Arduino, camera, whatever. We've got a power cable, just a kettle cable. Incredibly universal. That is to power this thing, which is a power supply. In future revisions, we're hoping to move to a USB-C, which will enable us to power it without one of these. But for now, this is what we've got. This is what we're looking at: 15 volt, 4.8 amps. It's pretty safe. Pretty universal. Alright, then we've got the arm itself. So the robotic arm comes sitting in here like this. Pull it out. Here's our robot arm. Yes, it is 3D printed, but you can feel the solidity of everything. Now, when it's unpowered, we can move the joints around like this. When it's not powered, right? The shoulder has a range of 0 degrees through 90 to about 120 digitally, but you can push it back all the way to 180 for pack-up purposes. So this is pack-up. Shoulder goes all the way back on itself for pack-up. Before use, we'll put the shoulder at 90 degrees. Now, when I'm turning that shoulder, I'm moving it nice and slowly. I'm holding the turret tightly, and I'm moving the shoulder nice and slowly. I'm not trying to rush it because I'll break things. There is a 2.83 to 1 gearbox ratio gearbox in here, planetary gearbox with dual helical gears. It's pretty solid, but you know, it's not infallible. It can break, stuff can break. The turret axis, that's this one here, is infinite. We've got a slip ring in there, so you can spin this infinitely. No wires get crossed, no wires get twisted, nothing wrong. Alright, here's our buttons. Realistically, the middle one's the one you care about. It's the middle one and the right hand side one will do things. Now, if we look to this side, we can see the plugs. That bottom micro USB, that one controls the arm. You need to plug that one into computer or you won't be able to control the arm. The top one is routed to this USB station here on the claw. Alright, which you can plug a webcam into, an Arduino, or LiDAR, whatever you want. And that will be connected to here. That's power, so that's our 15 volt, 4.8 amp. And if I plug it in, you can see the lights on the servos will light up. They'll go all the way to the top, all the way to the tip. And we have a bit of resistance now. The red light means it's got power. That white solid light there means that it's ready to go. Press that middle button once, you should see that white light start flashing. That means it's in e-stop and it should be movable. When it's in e-stop, we can move it. Nice and slowly, of course. Alright, so we've established what e-stop is. Now let's turn off e-stop for a second here, and let's show you what the arm determines as a collision. So the arm's designed to detect collisions with itself. That's built into the software. See that middle light on the right-hand side lighting up? When I bring the arm in range of it touching itself? And that causes it to go into e-stop, and I can't bring it out of e-stop while it's in this collision field. Alright, so that's the arm. Now let's quickly show you how to pack it up. Before we depower it, we want to we'll give it power for a second. We're just going to get the claws to a suitable position. So in order to do that, press and hold the right button, sorry. Wait a minute, there we go. The claws have just moved into what's called pack-up position. Now we can unplug it, and I always like to look at it from the side with the bicep towards me, and I will hold the turret, turn the bicep back on itself to the right, then I'll fold the forearm down on top of it, fold the wrist down on top of that, and I have this shape. This is what I'm looking at in front of me. Okay? Hell, I might even do that. Beep boop bop. Alright. I'm going to turn it away from me. I'm going to drop it down into the slot. You can see the slot's shape. That flat bit is where the base goes. Here is where the claw goes. we should probably get some stickers and put them on this foam to help people out. Have no shame. Everyone asks us, how the hell do you get it back in the box? It's a thing. Alright, it's back in the box. I'll take the power cable, I'll put that back in this slot. I'll take the power thingy, I'll put it back here, and it doesn't really matter where the USBs go. Close it up. Boom, you've got your case.